Wind chill warning.
Ice.
Put it in the cart, Papa.
Okay, me Alex today.
Bailey goes, Bailey goes. It's the Bailey goes, Bailey. Come join the family. Nothing but vibes you see. Everybody's happy on this side. Yeah, we gon' vibe. Yeah, let's ride. Only love on this side. Bailey goes gang for life. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Bailey goes, Bailey goes. It's the Bailey goes, Bailey goes.
What happened? So yeah, peeps, we are start morning early. We are about to break. We are about to go to the supermarket. Come, Papa.
Okay.
KEMAR at work, so we are start morning early. Kai ready? You ready? Even though I'm going to close the door a while ago because the place is really cold. I think this is something about wind chill.
Are your phone now?
No, yours. I think this is something about some wind chill warning.
On my phone?
Your phone, yeah. KEMAR look for tea. Or make it tea already.
Yeah.
Oh. So yeah, peeps, I'm turning on the one, make it a warm up a little bit. And we're about to head out in a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, so please, just put out a back out there, so. Once the back right there, so. Ice.
You eating your fruits?
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, know it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the...
What is that? What is it, Papa? What is it, apple?
Coming our way.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been...
Hello. Stop unpacking people them things. Come, put it in the cart. Put it in the cart, Papa. Good job. Yay. Boss, I take up Aki. You want Aki? Eh? Watch out. Hey! Good job. You get Aki? What? You want more? Ah! Thank you! Well, one day.
So, please today, you know? So grocery shopping.
You're going nyam the man for first.
And I name the man name and name the something on it.
Nyam the man?
And I name the man, see what it name?
Nyam the man.
Yeah, that's what it name. So it name is it, so over there, so I pack out.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's actually empty.
It never empty, but yeah.
It's kind of empty.
Yeah.
So we get back for fruits, for Kai. The boss over there is asleep. Knock out.
In the well tired man, can I wake up early?
Wake up early and knock out again. You know, so when you wake him hungry.
Yeah. But you get some fruits this morning. You get some fruits this morning.
Yeah. They unpack the grocery. So, I find this one by?
Yeah.
Oh, so many things I want to find.
Oh.
Yeah, that we have.
We don't give them nothing, we always give them all. Nothing we want to all today. Yeah. But based on all of them you want to see, in the comment section, you know, give an estimate of how much you think we spend to buy them stuff here.
They're outside cool?
What?
Further.
Come on, show them and make them give an estimate.
Them see it already, I'm sure it in their first spot.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to give an estimate of how much you think we spend to
all
buy
of that.
all of them stuff here.
Yeah.
All of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of them look at something there.
And see some money.
Something there, so. Something right there, so.
Me that tell them this morning said there's our wind chill, I say it called wind chill warning.
Yeah, wind chill. Alexa, how cold is it?
Good afternoon, KEMAR. Today, expect a low of 17 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alexa, manners. So you never say good afternoon, Ristananna.
I'm not busy today. I'm Alexa there. You tell me Alexa there.
Right,
Alexa, I'm here there.
Alexa, no understand no way.
Alexa, now I got answer now because you know the Instagram and me and Alexa there. Quiet, you can't answer that.
Where's the me I get born with Alexa?
Alexa, no, we keep secret. Somebody I call there.
Come for that. Oh.
What's that of you?
Hello?
Yeah. You checking them back.
Cheese for Dada. Say cheese. Where's Dada? Dada gone to work. Work. Say work. Cheese.
So yeah, I'm up on my break right now, people. Ristananna there home. Today what? Friday. Yeah, Friday, July 19. This guy 11:30. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm up on my break right now. I eat some chips and some 7-Eleven board. I mean, yeah, we have 170 face count today. That high. So because I snowstorm, we're going. So because I snowstorm, we're going over there. Most I store them to get goods as is. So all of that now back up today. Can't wait. So just there. I yell now. I know saying all there I see me on the video them. I want to jump in 1 and 2 times with the home. But right now I work. You see me? I will come off about 2-3 o'clock. Hopefully we're done like earlier. That's it. But after that I don't have much to talk about. I just make you know say yo, subscribe. You see? Subscribe and share the video them for you see it. You need to get out there. Although we're already out there, but most people don't know. So we do YouTube. And we depend on one to push out the video. I see the request them when I want, but in due time we just drop one or something, you see me? Just time. You see me? And then me not have most of the time for you do the video them. As you see, night shift. Go in the morning, I sleep, wake up till about, you know. You know the drill. We get 1-2 hour. Do me other side of myself and then back to work. The American dream, they say. You see me? The American dream. But in due time, everything will pay off. You see me? We're from Jamaica. We start all over from scratch. You see me? This time, without any running involved. So you find how everything start over from scratch. You know, adulting, the real adulting start. They are Jamaica when they have an opinion on that very look boat. Otherwise from two like a dog them. The real adulting start right now. As a matter of fact, it start from last year in Kaiban. More responsibility on them someday. Go and check the time because I have wait shit me pause the time. So I give about probably about 1 minute something left or 2 minutes and touch the timer. So I'm tell you adulting start and things. So I drop the Q&A one of them there. Now we have time. I'll try. Trust me, I'll try. Can't say what I'll try in a video them. Just timing. I try to make everything straight, you see me? With family, you see me? Try to make everything straight. Everything straight, and you get enough more time. I know what else to say. Just there. One bill. That's it. Check my time. I have 2 minutes 18, so me chat to now again. Probably after I done work. If I remember, if me in I'm mood, because when I done work, I just want to shut down my yard. Tomorrow I'm a day off, so probably see me in a video for Saturday, Sunday, yeah. See me there home for Saturday, Sunday. Oh, and we have a road trip I come up. Might touch on Texas or one of them places, you see me? So yeah, make you know where I'm going. Out.
Bailey goes. It's the Bailey goes.